talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Talkie app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just come here to AI since proactive messages, you click in this sign here. So when you click on it, like you see this color show for us, that's mean AI sends proactive messages enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.